Sitting outside Tandem Restaurant is the first Milwaukee community fridge.
We don't require proof of income, or we don't need a certain demographic or anything like that. If you need something, you can take it.
The fridge and everything in it is donated, organized and hand-painted by Hatea Johnson, powered by Tandem.
We had asked people, where do you think that we should place it? Like, where do you think would benefit from it? And even before we had made that post, people were like commenting on our other posts, Tandem, Tandem, Tandem. Like, you should check out Tandem, tagging Tandem.
Tandem isn't taking any customers right now, only donations to keep their community services going as long as they can. At the start of the pandemic, Tandem's owner expected to go out of business and started giving out free meals once a week. But word caught on and donations kept coming in. How does this benefit you?
How does anything benefit any of us? I think doing, especially in times of crisis, but in normal times too, doing what you think is the right thing to do is probably the right thing to do.
With the community fridge now outside, open 24/7, Tandem is shifting gears, paying tutors to provide free help for school-aged kids.
I can't finish an online class to save my life, so I imagine a fourth grader is going to have a real tough time. So it's all outside. We'll tutor 60 kids a day, provide them a meal during that time.
A fridge full of food and a restaurant full of heart, fueling their community in Tandem. In Milwaukee, Caroline Reinwald, WISN 12 News.